Lavender, with its beautiful purple hues, is a sight to behold. Its vibrant color stands out against the green fields and blue skies, creating a picturesque landscape that is both calming and invigorating. The enchanting fragrance of lavender has captivated hearts for centuries, evoking a sense of peace and tranquility. The gentle breeze carries its sweet scent, filling the air with a soothing aroma. This versatile herb is more than just a pretty flower. It has been harvested for its numerous benefits, ranging from culinary uses to medicinal properties. Lavender offers a range of benefits for your mind, body, and home. Its uses are diverse, making it a staple in many households. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender is often used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and anxiety. A few drops of lavender essential oil can transform a room into a serene sanctuary. Its soothing aroma can promote better sleep and ease tension, making it a popular choice for those seeking a natural remedy for insomnia. Beyond its therapeutic benefits, lavender is a natural moth repellent, making it a welcome addition to any wardrobe. Its pleasant scent keeps clothes fresh and free from pests. The popularity of lavender extends to DIY projects, where its dried buds and essential oils are incorporated into various creations. From homemade sachets to personalized gifts, the possibilities are endless. From fragrant sachets to luxurious bath products, lavender adds a touch of luxury and well-being to everyday life. Its presence transforms ordinary routines into moments of indulgence. Whether you seek tranquility, a natural remedy, or simply a touch of natural beauty, lavender offers something special. Its timeless appeal continues to enchant and inspire, making it a beloved herb across the world. Growing your own lavender is a rewarding experience that not only enhances the beauty of your garden, but also fills the air with a delightful fragrance. The sight of blooming lavender flowers swaying gently in the breeze is truly mesmerizing. Lavender thrives in well-drained soil that is slightly alkaline. Preparing the soil properly is crucial for the plant's health. Choose a sunny spot in your garden, as lavender needs at least 6 hours of sunlight daily to flourish and produce its aromatic oils. When planting, space your lavender plants about 1 to 3 feet apart, depending on the variety. This spacing allows for proper air circulation and growth. Water them regularly during their first growing season to establish a strong root system. Consistent watering helps young plants adapt to their new environment. Once established, lavender is relatively drought-tolerant, making it a low-maintenance addition to your garden. In fact, overwatering can be detrimental, leading to root rot and other issues. It's best to water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. This mimics the plant's natural growing conditions. Harvesting your lavender at the right time ensures the most potent fragrance and flavor. The ideal time to harvest is when the flowers are just beginning to open, typically in the morning after the dew has dried. To harvest, use sharp pruning shears or scissors to cut the stems just above the leaves. You can harvest the entire flower stalk or just the flower heads, depending on your intended use. After harvesting, bundle your lavender stems together and secure them with a rubber band. The versatility of lavender shines in DIY projects. One of the simplest and most popular uses is creating lavender sachets. To make a sachet, fill a small fabric bag with dried lavender buds and tie it off with a ribbon. These sachets can be placed in drawers and closets to freshen clothes and deter moths. Lavender essential oil, extracted through steam distillation, is another versatile product. Add a few drops to a carrier oil like almond oil or jojoba oil to create a soothing massage oil or a relaxing bath oil. Lavender's calming and relaxing properties are widely utilized in aromatherapy. This versatile plant has been cherished for centuries, not only for its beautiful purple flowers, but also for its myriad of health benefits. Simply inhaling the aroma of lavender essential oil can help reduce stress, anxiety, and insomnia. The soothing scent works wonders on the nervous system, promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. Add a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser and enjoy the therapeutic benefits in your home or office. The gentle mist fills the air, creating a calming environment that can enhance your overall well-being. Lavender oil can also be used topically to soothe burns, insect bites, and skin irritations. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties make it an excellent natural remedy for various skin issues. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to the skin. This ensures that the oil is safe and effective, preventing any potential skin irritation. From its captivating fragrance to its therapeutic benefits, lavender offers a world of possibilities. Whether used in aromatherapy, skincare, or simply as a decorative plant, its versatility is unmatched. Start your lavender journey today and experience the magic for yourself. Embrace the natural healing power of lavender and let it transform your life.